Hey, it's Gabriel and welcome to WAD. Unlike some other parts of the world where specialization is obligatory before you can start practicing medicine, here in Africa it's not the same. You need to go to school for 6 years and then become a general doctor, after which you can take off specializing. Where specialization is just about advancing your medical studies just to be an expertise in one area. That's what specialization is all about. And so I feel like there's a need for me to specialize, and these are some of the reasons why I want to specialize.
Gabriel answers your questions, vlogs, entertains, it's about stuff. He's full of fun, interviews, and talks about medical school. The question still remains, what would a doctor do?
Number one, when I'm a specialist, I cut down my workload. Well, not that I'm lazy, but I want to have time for other stuff like my family, my wife, and have time to socialize and anything I want to do apart from medicine. And so in this case, when I specialized, I will only be in my field of expertise. Let's say, for instance, I'm a cardiologist. That means anything pertaining to the heart is what I'll be tackling. Instead of being a general doctor where I would have to look at a little bit of pediatrics, gynecology, and even internal medicine. In this case, I will only tackle what belongs to the heart. And so I think it's a nice way to cut my workload off, because I really want to enjoy life apart from the fact that I want to be a doctor. And so that's one reason why I would want to specialize. Yes, number two, recognition. I personally have experienced this before. When you tell people you're a doctor, the first question that comes from them is, which field are you specialized in? Well, I really want to tell them someday that I am a cardiothoracic surgeon. That's why I really want to specialize, for the recognition, because I believe strongly in some years to come, when the government is recruiting people, they wouldn't be looking in the way of general doctors, because they feel like everybody needs to do what he does best, and so they'll be looking out for specialists. That's why there's a need for me to specialize, to catch up with the world, because you never know when you will be needed. And not that you are not a generalist, but then you are a specialist. So when a generalist is needed, you can assume that position the same time as a specialist when your expertise are needed. Well, I think before general practitioner become a thing of the past, I might have the opportunity to head department because I'm a specialist and that is my area of expertise. So I can save life. Well, speaking of saving life, I want us to do this together, and so kindly consider sharing my video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Also, like this video if you really enjoy it up to now. Now, moving on, talking about number three, we are going to consider the fact that opportunities may come knocking my door, and so I have to be ready. Now, this is what people normally say, that success is when opportunity meets readiness, and so I really want to be ready for the outside world, so when they come knocking my door, I can be easily considered, because if I want to find myself maybe in Europe, I have to be really prepared to serve. And so if it's all about serving, then I think there's a need for me to specialize, and that is why I really want to specialize. Not that I really want to jackpot, but there's a need for me to jackpot if there's an opportunity. And so why not? I'm considering everything, and so that's why there's a need for me to update myself by specializing, because that's what the outside world is doing. Now, talking about specialization, that is not what is done in every country. I mean, you become a general practitioner and practice for a while before you specialize. But in most countries in Africa, that's what they normally do. And so since opportunities may come from anywhere, any angle, I really have to be prepared for the outer world. And so that's one reason why I want to specialize. Now, moving on to number four, I can't do this video without talking about money, the moolah. There are ways of calling this l'argent. Another way of calling this is the gualala. So if I really want to enjoy the flus, there is a need for me to specialize. People do hide behind this fact that money is the root of evil, but I tell you that money does almost everything. And so if I really, really want to have money, have comfortability, there is a need for me to actually consider the fact of specializing, because, if I tell you, I don't know if you'd be surprised, but then whatever your feelings may be, neurosurgeons are the people who take much money, followed by cardiologists, and then we have the orthopedics. And so there is a need for you to specialize. You will never hear that the general practitioner is on top of the list. And so I really want to make that moolah and make my life comfortable and help others. And so there's a need for me to specialize, and that is why I really want to specialize. And finally, I want this, and I aspire to become a cardiothoracic and vascular surgeon in the coming years to come true. Well, before I talk about this, I want you guys to put in the comment section what you think about this debate. People actually say you can control your destiny, and others too are like, you know, it's bound to happen. That's if your destiny is supposed to be in that direction. So whatever you think, just put it in the comment section. And I think you guys know my answer already, because looking at the fact that I really want my dream to come true, and so my answer is already chosen. Finally, thank you very much for sticking around if you've watched the video up till now, and also if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video if you really enjoy it. And I think you guys need to check this video out, and it is about what you would have to do next after medical school, because there are a lot of things that might come your way, and so you really have to watch this video and consider. And this has been it. See you guys in the next one. And don't forget that it's still let's save lives together.